$5,000 in 5 days for Forex beginners. What? Making 100K a day? How do Forex traders make money? And what are these videos? They are so promising, right? Meet the 22-year-old that makes 100K per day. You are probably watching the wrong YouTube channels, because sadly they are the most popular ones. In this video, I'm about to show you the trading channels that actually make sense. Let's get right into it. Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter and I have been trying to learn to trade since I was 16. At first I was disappointed because there were so many strategies that were promising so huge returns, but they did not work. I was told that I could get rich quickly, and I wanted to get rich quickly, but I could not. There were and still are so many YouTubers that create actually bad content for you. They do not want you to learn how to trade Forex, and most of the times they don't even know themselves how to trade the Forex markets. But there are some YouTube channels that give out quality informations to you for free, and I want to share them with you in this video, so you can learn faster than I did. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Nonsense Forex. Now this YouTube channel is probably the most popular out of the YouTube channels that I'm going to show you today. And as you can see, the newest uploads don't really get that many views as before. Even though he has plenty of subscribers, there are so many uploads that you can't really keep up with the content. But, and this is a huge but, there are some must-see videos about big banks and about how big money works, and how if you don't really understand the Forex markets, you probably stand no chance against the people who actually move the prices up and down. This video I have watched at least 5 times in my life, and this is literally life-changing. I recommend this video to anyone who didn't see this before, because with these informations your whole perspective about Forex trading is going to change, or at least it did for me. Number 2. René Balke. I stumbled upon René's channel a while back, and it's been a game changer for me. What I love about René's channel is that he has got these awesome tutorial videos for beginners about programming, about MQL4 or MQL5 programming, and this is pretty much where I learned how to program, or the basics of MQL programming. But that's not all. He also reviews several expert advisors from the market and helps you create your own expert advisor, and even has some for free on the MQL5 marketplace. So if you're serious about understanding the basics of MQL programming, or you want to make sure that the EA that you want to buy is a good choice, then do yourself a favor and check out this YouTube channel, because it's worth it. Number 3, and this is the most important, Ryan Brown. Ryan Brown is a full-time Forex trader, and he has been in the game for quite a while. What I really appreciate about Ryan's approach is his commitment to sustainable long-term profits. You see, he's not into that get-rich overnight kind of trading. Instead, he's all about consistent gains and building a solid foundation for success. One of the things that really sets Ryan apart is his honesty. His strategies and approaches are brutally honest, and that's a breath of fresh air in the trading world. Sometimes he even shares information that you won't find anywhere else. Now, that's the kind of insider knowledge that you need in trading, believe me. Ryan's videos cover a range of topics, but what really caught my attention were his insights into martingale trading and grid trading strategies, and hedging trading strategies. If you really want to dive deep into grid and martingale strategies, there are 2 ways to go about it. Firstly, you can check out the videos I have created on these topics right here on my channel, but for an even deeper understanding, I highly recommend heading over to Ryan's channel and watching his videos on these subjects. So whether you're just starting your Forex trading journey or you are a seasoned pro looking to refine your skills, Ryan Brown's channel is a must visit. The knowledge you'll gain from his videos is pure gold. And surely there are some videos that are not worth watching, and he too uploads very often, and there is an overload of YouTube videos. But besides these, if you find the good ones, if you find the popular videos of this channel, it's just invaluable. Now another interesting one is Shawn, who is a self-claimed trader, and he does say some interesting things about the stock market and the forex market. Now I haven't watched many of his videos, so I am not sure about the credibility of this guy, but he gives away valuable information about support and resistance, about risk management, about trading psychology, about how hedging can work. So if you are a beginner trader, make sure to check out his channel, because he's fun to watch and he's entertaining. Now that's it for today's topic. Next week I'm about to release a free expert advisor, and I'll also upload a video about it. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for many insightful upcoming videos. Now that's the end of today's video. Hope you have enjoyed. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. Have a great day.